I graduated from dental assisting school. No dentist is gonna hire me with my teeth messed up like this. So I kind of let that dream go.
God is real, because I never in my life did I imagine that anything like this would happen. I was like ready to have my teeth pulled and just been like, well, I guess I'm not going to utilize my degree or anything. And they called me and she goes, "You'll never believe it." And I'm like, "What?" She goes, "Somebody wants to help you fix your teeth." I was like, "Are you serious?" I never in a million years would have thought this was possible. And that just shows me how real God is. Honestly, I don't really have any regrets, because even though I made poor choices, it got me to where I'm at today. And I don't believe I'd be at where I'm at today spiritually and in any way if I wouldn't have made the poor choices in my life. It just makes me who I am today. That's my goal. I want to give back what was given to me because I feel so special. I'm like, wow, I never in a million years thought this was possible. I thought I was gonna have dentures. And then I found you. God sent you to me and me to you. And I'm grateful for you. Without you, this wouldn't be possible.